When I reviewed the Nuraphones, I was impressed. The unusual ear/over-ear design may seem strange, but it actually works very well, and the custom audio profiles are impressive. Makers, Nura, was a newcomer, but the quality of construction and the attention to detail were better than many companies that have been in the game for several years. However, not everything was perfect. Physical controls were limited, and there was not even a way to know what they were charging. Today, the Nuraphones are receiving a serious update, free, and it is as simple as a firmware update. The software G2 offers, among other benefits, the active cancellation of ANC noise and the social mode, also known as audio transparency, that allows you to listen to the world around you without removing your headphones. A cynical company may have launched new hardware and increased the price, but Nura offers it as a free upgrade for both new customers and existing customers. While ANC and social mode are probably the two most important updates, here are some other good things. Previously, touch-sensitive discs in the headband could be assigned to one action each: play/pause, skip track, etc. Now, you can assign actions for a single tap and double tap, which gives you a total of 4 controls directly from the handset. Best of all, this includes alternating social mode and volume control that I craved the most.